Welcome everyone, thank you for joining us today. On this occasion, I, Sylvia, and my colleague
I'm Chelsea.
will be presenting about an important issue that happened in our country. But before we begin, we want to invite you to listen closely, as this topic concerns not only just about the environment, but also our shared responsibility as citizens.
First, we all know that our beloved nation has countless islands surrounded by vast ocean, a natural gift that makes Indonesia truly extraordinary. Because of this, our country is widely known for its beautiful beaches that stretch from Sabang all the way to Merauke, attracting visitors from across the nation and around the world.
However, despite the beauty that we are proud of, the reality that we cannot ignore. Recent data shows that some of our beaches are ranked among the most polluted in the region, and much of this pollution comes from waste that appears without clear origin, like floating in the farm elsewhere, washed up by canals, or left behind unknowingly by visitors.
Because of this growing concern, our co-investigative team decided to take action. We counted 7 days sampling data, carefully observing every detail. Each day, we recorded the number of visitors, and at the end of each day, our team collected data on the total amount of waste found within the beach environment. This was done to help us understand the scale of the problem and identify the contributing factors.
Let's go there to our reporters at each location. They will present the average number of visitors per day and the average number of trays per day, while Alice point of the statistical meaning from the studio.
Thank you, Studio. I'm currently staying in Karangbelubuk Beach. Based on my observation, when I'm stayed for 7 days, on total of visitors that come to this beach are 2,260 visitors. On that count, the average visitor gonna be 323 visitor per day. Based on what we're looking for the information I got from the beach local, the totally they gather in this week estimate to 116.4 kilogram or average of 16.6 kilogram. That's what I got in for the observation. Back to studio.
Thank you, Rahma, and enjoy your holiday for another day. Okay, we back to analyze the data we got from the first location.
Let's go live to our reporters on the location. They will present the average number of visitors per day and the average amount of trash per day. Now on the Kuta Beach, while I explain the statistical meaning from the studio.
Thank you, Studio. I'm currently staying at Kuta Beach, and based on my observation, when I'm staying for 7 days, the total visitors that come this beach are 14,700, and the average the visitor is 2,100 visitor. Based on what we're looking for, that information I got from the beach local, they gather in this week is for 4,087.9 kilogram, and the average is 69.7 kilograms. That the information I have from my observation. Back to studio.
Thank you, Alif, and enjoy your holiday for another day. Okay, we back to analyze the data we got from second location.
Let's go live to our reporters at the location, now on the Batakan Baru Beach, while I'll explain the statistical meaning from the studio.
Thank you, Studio. I'm currently staying Batakan Prince Beach. Based on my observation, when I'm stayed for 7 days, the total of visitors that come to this beach are 555. On that count, the average visitor gonna be 722.14 visitor by day. Based on what we're looking for, the information I got from the beach local, the total they gather in this week estimate to 199.4 kilograms or average of 28.48 kilogram. That what I got in for the observation back to studio.
Thank you much, you and enjoy your whole day for another day. Okay, so back to analysis the data we got from the third location.
We present a statistical analysis on the relationship between the number of beach visitors and the amount of waste generated across three popular coastal destinations like Karanglubuk Beach, Kuta Beach, and Batakan Baru Beach. Using 1 week of observational data, we conducted several statistical procedures, including correlation analysis, regression modeling, and estimation of average waste produced per visitors. First, our correlation results show a strong positive linear relationship between the two variables. At Karanglubuk Beach, the correlation coefficient is R equals 0.817, indicating a very strong association. At Kuta Beach, the correlation is even stronger at R equals 0.922, suggesting that visitor numbers explain a large proportion of the variation in the waves.
Meanwhile, Batakan Baru Beach reports R equals 0.723, which still reflects a strong and meaningful connection. Next, we establish simple linear regression models, represented by the equation y equal a plus bx, where x is the number of visitors and y is the predicted amount of waste in kilograms. The regression equation for each beach are: Karanglubuk is y equals 7,985 plus 0.0259x. Kuta is y equals minus 1,087 plus 10.0325x. Batakan Baru is y equals 6,686 plus 0.0250x. These models allow us to estimate expected waste level based solely on visitor counts. The slope values ranging between 0.025 to 0.0325 represent the estimated kilogram of waste generated by each additional visitor.
From these values, we computed the average amount of waste produced per single visitor per day. Karanglubuk Beach equals 0.047 kg per visitor. Kuta Beach equals 0.030 kg per visitor. Batakan Baru Beach equals 0.039 kg per visitor.
Interpreted statistically, this means that for every individual who comes to this beach, approximately 30 to 47 grams of waste are added to the environment daily. From all three locations, the statistics clearly show that the number of visitors has a significant impact on the amount of trash produced. All beaches show strong correlation, meaningful regression patterns, and significant p-values. But beside the total amount of trash, not at all come from the visitor. Some of the trash come from the ocean that sweep away from ocean.
Because of that, we must protect our beautiful beach so our next generation can enjoy the beauty of our beach. But this emphasizes the importance of improving waste management system and raising public awareness, especially as visitor numbers continue to grow. I'm Sylvia
And Chelsea,
Thank you for watching and see you in our next report.